Hi everyone, welcome back to 50 and Fearless. In this video, I am going to break down exactly how I made money from YouTube on one YouTube video and how you can do the same. So even if you're just starting out or building a channel and you're over 50, I promise you can do this as well. And you don't have to do it quite at the level that I'm going to explain to you that I did it at here in a second. So first of all, I want to let you guys know that this isn't about going viral. This is about understanding how YouTube actually works as a business. So most people think they need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, and AdSense approval. But that's not where the real income starts. And I'm going to show you how to think differently about your content and how to create videos with purpose and direction that will help you get monetized on YouTube from your very first video. Let's go. Okay, so if you're new here, hi, I'm Jolene. I run the 50 and Fearless YouTube channel. I also own Home Stitchery Decor, which is the craft business you see behind me. I have a successful YouTube channel that is monetized on YouTube for that business. And I also run a third YouTube channel for ASMR sewing. And that one is not monetized yet, but it will be at some point. So the video that I'm referring to on this channel that is monetizing this channel right from the get-go, I just made, and it's about starting YouTube when you're 50 plus. And in that video, I reference my book, which is available on Amazon. You can get it here. Here's the QR code. And this essentially is a course that teaches you how to start, grow, and scale your own YouTube channel. So when I first started YouTube, I found that there was so much information. You got a little bit from here and a little bit from over there. And then somebody tried to sell you a course, and the course was really expensive, and they didn't really give you the answer. So when I first started this channel, it was like a year ago. I made some videos. They did okay, but not great. And then I thought to myself, I really need to slow down and just zone in on what I actually want to achieve. And so I stopped making videos for the channel, so I had time to write my book. And now that I've come back to the channel, I'm referencing the book that I wrote while I was gone. So this is how I've monetized this channel. Now, you don't have to do it at the same level as I did, but I do have a whole bunch of ideas in this book for how to actually monetize your channel and step-by-step guide for how to monetize your channel on YouTube right from the get-go. So it could be things like making your own merchandise or offering a course or services on your channel. So that's how we do it. So my book is available on Amazon. Go grab it there. Now, if you're ready to turn your YouTube into an actual business, and you want to start on the same platform that I did, I use Shopify for my YouTube business. So if you want to start Shopify, here is the QR code for Shopify here. And I'll have a link in the video description and first comment for it as well. I am an affiliate for Shopify. The reason I recommend if you're starting your business on YouTube and you want to have a product or service linked up to that business, I recommend starting with Shopify because it links to everything else. It's basically the only platform that I will recommend. It has everything from in-person POS systems. You can write blogs on it. You can host your products on it. You can host courses on it as well as services. So we use Shopify. So the other thing I'm going to do, and I'm just going to announce it here on this video for the second way that I am personally monetizing this channel, and you can do the same thing, is I made this book. And because I made this book, I am now getting booked to speak. So I've been booked to speak at Quilt Guilds, and I'm also a guest lecturer at Bow Valley College, which is a large college in our city, and I speak to the marketing students. So I did it already, and now I've been asked to come back on a yearly basis to speak to each progressive class of those students. So on my website, which I will link in the video description, I actually have guest speaking packages and lectures available to purchase based on my book. So people book me now and they pay me to, teach them how to actually do this. I actually have one-on-one coaching on there as well. So I'll put the link in the video description for that. it goes to Home Stitchery Decor, which is the website. That's the main website that I use for all of my business. But I wanted to make this channel because I felt like there was like a gap between people that were actually doing things and people that are over 50 that want to be able to do things and need a little bit of help getting their stuff together. So because YouTube is essentially an algorithm as well as searchable algorithm, I really wanted to tap into the plus 50 market. So I made a second channel here to help people like myself, right? So if you want to build something real, don't just post videos. You want to be able to create some income, create yourself some opportunity, and set yourself up for long-term growth. So subscribe and follow along, obviously, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. But also, I just wanted to let you know that, you know, I was so scared to start a YouTube channel being a little bit older, but the amount of support that you get from people on YouTube when they are a bit older, you just kind of erase all the, you know, the negativity and the judgment that comes from a younger audience. And my goal with this is to actually retire off of my YouTube income. And when I say YouTube income, that's all of the products and services that I actually offer on YouTube. That's going to be, you know, the AdSense income that I get off of YouTube, etc. And then what I do with those earnings to earn even more money to basically get passive income, because trading your time for money only goes so far. And of course, when you're over 50, you need to figure out how to retire at some point. So that is how I monetize the video. And we'll see you in the next one. We'll find something else interesting and fascinating to talk about. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.